morning. It's December 7, 2025, 6:05 a.m. We are here in or outside the PhilInvest Festival events grounds. So we're doing the loop. First, we are here on the road level. Ayan, on the left, on the right of our painted green lanes. So that means we are in the bike lane. We're going to do 2 loops around PhilInvest Events Grounds. Yung first loop natin ito, road level. And then later on, kasama tayo dito dyan sa bandang right for the bike path, shared path. So ayan, this is the portion of the Alabang Zapote Road. Medyo ipa-traffic dahil maaga pa, 8:07. May event kanina dito, yung Manila Run event. Iniwasan na natin. So katatapos lang, around mga 7:30 yung cut-off nila. So ayun, we're almost done finishing the first loop on the road level. Okay, up ahead is Insular Life. Ito na yung corner na pinanggalingan natin kanina. Saan pa tayo dito? Okay, nandito na tayo sa shared bike path, pedestrian path. Bike. So ayan, may mga office workers kahit Sundays para sa ekonomiya. Alright, so andito ulit tayo sa corner ng Alabang Zapote Road. Bike. Yun, galing sa Manila Run. Hope meron silang mga personal best PBs. Tapos may mga freebies din yan, t-shirts, mga product endorsements. Okay, yun, sana nakita yung Christmas decoration all throughout sa PhilInvest Alabang. I think every corner may ganun. Okay, may works. So later on, yung mga identifiable faces, pasensya na kung i-blur ko. It's for privacy since wala tayong nakuhang consent, so kailangan natin siyang i-blur para hindi siya makilala, that the face cannot be identified. Alright, that's our loop around Philippine West Festival event grounds. Thank you for riding with me. Thank you for watching. Ride safe all.